Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to add your high school on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then come to your profile section. In your profile section you can find the option of see your about information. Just simply tap on it, and here you can find the option of add high school. Just simply tap on it. So that's where you can easily add your high school onto your Facebook profile. Just here search for your high school, whatever it is. I'm just searching necessary, select it, and then you can also select the year and tap at add, and from here select the year from which year you have graduated from this school and tap at OK. And you can also set visibility. If you want to set it anonymous, tap at see more. From here you can find multiple options for your high school visibility. If you want to set it to public, only me or a specific friend or friends of your friend, just simply select it whatever you want. Once you're done with all of this stuff, just simply tap at save to continue. It will just take a while. So here you can see we have just simply added a high school on our Facebook profile. If you want to edit it, just simply tap at this pencil icon to add it, and from here you can delete it, or you can show it, or you can edit this specific, edit it. Here you can easily edit your high school on Facebook. Just simply, if you want to change the visibility, just tap on it, and here change the visibility. And if you want to change the year, just simply tap on it, and from here you can easily change your year from here and tap at OK. And you can also change your school from here. Just simply here search for whatever you want. First just simply cut it like in this way, and search for your high school, whatever it is. And just once you're done with all of this stuff, just tap at save to continue. So here you can see we have just added our high school on Facebook profile, and we have just also added it. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment section below, and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and I will be recommending you to check the latest video on the end screen. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video.